Are you BSc, MSc, BPharm, MPharm, or medical graduate and still wondering about your career after this? You are not alone. Thousands of students finish their degree every year and still struggle with the big question, what next? The truth is, most colleges only give you a degree, but no direction, no roadmap, no real career support that give you high growth and paying job. Hi, I'm Dr. Vijay Kumar, and at ClinverseEdge, we don't just offer courses, we offer career clarity. Whether you are exploring clinical research, pharmacovigilance, or medical writing, our expert faculty will guide you step by step on what suits your background, interest, and long-term goals. We are helping you with a free one-on-one counseling session with industry professionals. We will break down your career options, suggest the right paths, and help you understand how to get high-paying jobs faster. This one call has helped thousands of students discover better career opportunities they never knew existed. If you are keen about your future, book your free one-on-one counseling call today and let us help you choose a smarter path forward.